Hi, I'm Anna-Marie from Mind Skills. If you are a healthcare business owner, you know this. It is not the patients that drain your energy. It is the people. There's staff conflict, lack of accountability, and also the feeling that you are managing instead of leading a team. And that is the reason why I created the Freedom Framework. It's to give you the freedom from people problems as well. So I help you build a team that's aligned with your mission, where everyone knows what success looks like and also takes ownership of it. So you will create a culture of accountability, which will always make management smoother, and also stronger team dynamics, which attracts and keeps top talent. Because when your people are aligned, your business is in flow and you get your time, energy, and your freedom back. If you want to see how your practice is currently performing, fill out the practice audit. It will immediately give you a report of the health of your practice, and you will be able to see which areas you need to focus on. It will also give you clarity on your priorities. Try it out.